time of day, try on heels in the afternoon when your feet are slightly swollen. This gives you a more realistic fit. Heel height. Luxury doesn't mean pain. Choose a heel height that complements your posture and walking style. Material and finish. Leather molds to your feet over time, while satin and synthetic finishes may remain firmer. Think about what suits your lifestyle. Toe shape. Pointed toes elongate the legs but can be tight. Try different shapes, almond, round, or square, to find what flatters and fits best. The emotional factor of luxury footwear. Putting on high-end heels is often emotional. It's about confidence, sensuality, and celebrating your body. A luxury try-on session is not just shopping. It's a ritual of empowerment. The sound of heels on marble floors, the silhouette they create, and the elegance they add to any outfit are unmatched. Fashionable styling with luxury pumps. Pair your pumps with